Hi, so I'm at the KFC today ready to try the new vegan burger. I've heard good things, so I'm really excited to try. I think the vegan market is just becoming amazing now. I'm not vegan myself, but as a veggie that is allergic to dairy and doesn't really kind of agree with it, I'm just so excited to try this. The Greggs sausage roll is amazing. It's also done by corn as well, so I'm hoping, as this is corn as well, this should be just as nice. Also really want to try the Greggs steak bake. My best friend was having 3 a day, so shout out Brianne, greedy pig. I just want the food. Yes. Where's my... What am I doing again? I don't want to drink. Okay, so I've just ordered. I've got it. I'm 3107, but the queue is absolutely mad. They are doing one per person on the vegan, which is insane. So good job my mum, didn't want one. Hopefully this is good. I'm just waiting outside because it's just mad busy in there. So I'm just gonna go back inside and we'll go get it. Let's see if it's ready. It's probably not, but whatever. Yay! Finally got it after waiting forever. She's locked me out, hasn't she? Oh no, she hasn't. Got it! Only took bloody half an hour. And they give it away. They give it to somebody else. Yeah, I know. Right. Check my nails. Has it got meal in it?
It should have like a little vegan sauce. There's no need to worry, has it?
So, it's alright.
Is it worth it?
I don't know. I'm sorry, my mouth. Still there. Can you get it?
No.
What, Mum? Okay. I mean, for $3.99, it's not horrendous. It's a bit dry.
Does it looks like Gandhi's flip-flop?
They could do with more mayo for sure. Oh, just a bit of the mayo. That's nice.
I'll bite.
No, told you not. I don't know. Doesn't look too bad actually. Right, do you want some? I just don't know where to put this. What do we think? No? Not good? Not fast?
Not really fussed, no. That's not the best vegan food I've ever had.
Good efforts though.
Stay in my house.
Food everywhere. What would we give that then? Final thoughts on this new vegan burger?
3 out of
3? 6.5 or 6.8. I'm pushing on a 7.
Are you fucking mad? Are we eating the same
Are we in the same burger? I'm gonna stick my 6.5.
3, and that's generous. I'd eat it if I was starving.
Well, or drunk. Well, there you've got it. A newly vegan and a long-term veggie. The thoughts on the KFC vegan burger.
Vegan burger.
Vegan burger.